Doston, welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of the animal kingdom. Today we're talking about elephants, those big, gentle giants. These magnificent creatures are not just known for their size, but also for their intelligence and social behavior. हम जानते हैं उन्हें उनके साइज के लिए, उनके ट्रंक्स के लिए, जो बहुत versatile होते हैं. They use their trunks for a variety of tasks, from picking leaves to drinking water. और उनके बड़े-बड़े ears के लिए. These large ears help them stay cool in the hot climate. But did you know they are also big eaters? Elephants can consume up to 150 kilograms of food in a single day. आइए जानते हैं ये amazing animals क्या खाना पसंद करते हैं. They spend most of their day foraging for food. Elephants are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. ये घूमते रहते हैं, searching for the best leaves, fruits and bark. ढूंढते रहते हैं अपना favorite food सारे दिन. Their diet includes a variety of vegetation, making sure they get all the nutrients they need. It's like a big buffet out there for them. They enjoy grasses, small plants, bushes, fruit, twigs, tree bark, and roots. So what's on the menu? Let's find out. From the lush forests to the open savannas, elephants have a diverse diet that keeps them healthy and strong. Elephants are vegetarians, and they have a diverse and fascinating diet. They enjoy a variety of plants, ranging from the simplest grasses to the most exotic fruits. Their diet includes grasses, which are their staple food, just हमारे लिए roti है. Grasses provide them with essential fibers and nutrients. They also love munching on fruits like bananas and mangoes. These fruits are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and minerals. जरा सोचो, इतने बड़े पेट के लिए कितना फल चाहिए होगा. Imagine how many fruits it takes to fill their large bellies. But that's not all. Elephants also eat bark from trees. The bark provides them with roughage and additional nutrients. अपने मजबूत tusks से वो पेड़ों से छाल उतारते हैं. With their strong tusks, they skillfully strip the bark from trees. It's like they are enjoying a crunchy snack. The bark acts as a natural toothbrush, helping to keep their teeth clean. All these different types of plants provide them with the nutrients they need. From grasses to fruits to tree bark, each element of their diet plays a crucial role in their overall health and well-being. And let's not forget, elephants need a lot of water to wash down all that food. They can drink up to 50 gallons of water a day. Watching a family of elephants eat together is a sight to behold. They share their food and enjoy their meals as a community. Even the youngest calves learn quickly what to eat by mimicking the adults. It's a beautiful cycle of learning and nourishment. Now, let's talk about their amazing trunks. An elephant's trunk is like a super tool. इससे वो दूर से ही tasty treats को सूंघ लेते हैं. It's like having a built-in food detector. They use their trunks to grab food, whether it's a bunch of grass or a juicy fruit. फिर बड़े skillfully उस food को अपने मुंह तक ले जाते हैं. It's like having a long, flexible arm that can also smell and grab. Section 4. Fun facts about elephant eating habits. तो तैयार हो जाइए elephant-sized fun facts के लिए. Did you know that an adult elephant can eat up to 300 pounds of food in a single day? मतलब एक पूरा पहाड़ खा जाते हैं. They also spend most of their day eating, around 12 to 18 hours. मतलब दिन का ज्यादातर समय तो खाने में ही निकल जाता है. No wonder they need to eat so much to keep their energy levels up. Section 5. The importance of a balanced diet for elephants. बिल्कुल हमारी तरह, elephants need a balanced diet to stay healthy. सारे plants जो वो खाते हैं, उनसे अलग-अलग nutrients, vitamins and minerals मिलते हैं. ये nutrients उन्हें energy देते हैं, help them grow big and strong और keep their bodies functioning properly. जरूरी है कि उनके habitat में अलग-अलग तरह का खाना मौजूद हो. This way, they can get all the nutrients they need to thrive. Protecting their habitats means protecting their food sources too. Section 6. Protecting elephants and their food sources. Elephants are amazing animals, and it's our responsibility to protect them. These majestic creatures have roamed the earth for centuries, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. हमें यह सुनिश्चित करना होगा कि उनके पास घूमने के लिए पर्याप्त जगह हो और उन्हें विभिन्न प्रकार के खाद्य पदार्थ मिले. Elephants require vast areas to roam freely and access to a diverse range of food sources to thrive. By protecting their habitats, we are also helping to preserve their food sources. This means safeguarding the forests, grasslands, and wetlands that provide them with the nourishment they need. So the next time you see an elephant, remember their incredible eating habits and the importance of protecting these gentle giants and their food sources. Elephants consume a variety of plants, fruits, and bark, which not only sustains them but also helps in seed dispersal, promoting forest regeneration. आइए हम सब मिलकर यह सुनिश्चित करें कि वे जंगल में फलते फूलते रहें. Let's all come together to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in the wild, contributing to the health and diversity of our planet's ecosystems.